In this video, I'll show you how to sync Google Drive or Dropbox with your scheduler in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your file management or need to integrate your scheduling system with cloud storage, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive straight in. First, open your scheduler software. Whether it's a platform you've used for a while or something you're just getting started with, syncing it with Google Drive or Dropbox can save you a ton of time. Now, depending on the scheduler you're using, the process might vary slightly, but the core idea remains the same. Start by finding the settings or integration section in your scheduler's dashboard. Usually, you'll find this option under Integrations or Connections. Once you're there, look for Google Drive or Dropbox, or both, depending on which cloud storage you want to link. If you're syncing Google Drive, click on the Google Drive option. A pop-up will appear asking you to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you'll be prompted to grant permission for the scheduler to access your files. Make sure to allow this so the scheduler can create and manage your files directly from the cloud. For Dropbox, the process is quite similar. Click on the Dropbox option, sign into your account, and grant the necessary permissions. The software will ask you which folders or files you want to sync. You can choose specific folders for syncing, which makes it easy to keep everything organized. Now here's the key point. Once the integration is set up, your scheduler can automatically access your cloud storage, upload or download files, and attach them to appointments or events. This is super useful if you want to attach documents, presentations, or even spreadsheets directly to your calendar events. No more juggling between apps or switching tabs. Now, I've tried several of the most popular schedulers out there, and this software we'll be using today is the one that stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you want to follow along and get started with syncing Google Drive or Dropbox to your scheduler, I've got something special for you. You can grab an exclusive free trial for this software just by checking the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel. Let's wrap up. The key takeaway here is that syncing Google Drive or Dropbox with your scheduler is a huge time saver and makes managing your files and appointments much easier. Make sure you link your cloud storage properly and choose the folders you want to sync. With this integration, you won't have to keep switching between apps anymore. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's your chance to see how this integration can boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the free trial and start syncing your cloud storage with your scheduler today.